Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Miss Ebony Lux, and today we did a twist out, and if you like the way it came out, stay tuned. All right, so let's go ahead and get into it. So I've already parted my hair in 4 sections, as you can see. Now, of course, your parts don't matter. I'm going to do 2 in the front and 2 in the back, so a total of 8 twists on the scalp. Alright, so I'm using my ragtail comb. I'm going to go ahead and split the 2 back pieces into 4. Alright, so in today's product of choice is going to be the olive oil no grease cream styler. I'm going to use some water first. Make sure that my hair is still nice and wet. I'm going to use a nice amount of the styler. I love this product so much. It does wonders on my hair texture. It's just beautiful. I love how it defines my curls as well. So make sure you put a hefty amount in there. Also, make sure to comb it out, detangle it completely so that your curls are a little bit more defined, and you don't want to have any tangling or anything like that during this process. All right, so I'm going to try to let y'all see this. I don't know if you can, but we're going to try. All right, so I'm just going to split that into 2. And I'm just going to twist that right. So I'm twisting to my right. And that's how I'm going to do it for each braid. That's just how I twist. When you're twisting, you want to make sure that each piece of hair that you're grabbing is completely separated from the next. That's just going to help with the defining of your curls. Alright, so like I said, you don't want your hair to tangle up at all, so make sure to comb throughout the process. So when you get to your ends, go ahead and comb them back out and continue your twist. Yeah, I thought it was gonna curl. It was not going. So now I'm gonna work on this side. All right, so here's a look at the twist. Okay, we getting somewhere. Ayy. Don't mind me, y'all be tripping. Alrighty, look at us. Okay, so here we are. This is what it looks like so far. So we're gonna throw some rollers in here just for that extra little curl, you know. And y'all was so excited. I was getting excited with every curl. So here we are. Rollers are in and ready for the dryer. Be back in an hour. All right, so here we are dry. And I'm nervous, y'all. I was so nervous taking them out because you just don't know how your hair gonna come out sometimes. You know, it'd be so iffy. But we gonna make it. Alright, so I'm gonna be using Love Oil to remove my curls. So I'll take my twist out. Just a little bit on my hands. So on this part, you guys, you gotta be very careful. So remember how you had to make sure that each part was separated while twisting? So that's how you're gonna take it down now. So you see that piece that's sticking out? It's time to separate that one. Alright, and then onto the next one. So each piece is defined and you can see exactly where to pull the hair out at. So make sure that you're detangling and separating your pieces when you start your twists. Alright, so now that it's all out, it's time to do some fluffing and shaking. So here we are. Use my white tooth comb, and it's gonna comb my roots out and lift them up, get those parts, blended in with the next. All right, so don't be afraid to shake that hair, girl. Shake them curls all the way out. Get it good. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and play with it a little bit, figure out how I'm gonna wear it, what's the best style for my beautiful face. All right, so here are the final results. I hope you guys love it. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. I'll be back. Well, I'm back. Thank you guys for joining me today. I hope you love the way my hair came out because I do. Oh, anyways, thank you guys for watching and tuning in with me today. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what hairstyles y'all want to see me try. Also, follow me on Instagram at Miss Ebony Lux for more content. Thank you guys again, and bye.